In this video, I'll share with you the real reasons why I only trade daily charts. Might not be what you think, but stick around. I'll share with you exactly why I look at daily charts, why I trade them, how I make some money with them. I'll give you some strategies too, and I'll share with you my own thoughts and experience. And you can comment below, let me know if you like daily charts or not. I want to hear your thoughts, but let's dive right in. Alright, first thing I love about daily chart is there's a lot less noise in the market. You see people trade 5-minute charts, 15-minute charts. They might take a lot of trades, but they have a lot of false setups. Setups that will never produce a move, or that is just like a small candlestick, so it doesn't really produce any significant move in the market. If you look at daily charts and you see a big candlestick, it probably means something that's quite important. And getting on that trade could lead to a bigger move. So when you look at me trading daily charts, I will often have a lot of positions that I keep adding to over time. I keep scaling into them, and I add more as they go in profit more and more. And so I have these trades that can last for a long time, which you probably couldn't have on a 5-minute chart or even a 1-hour chart. These trades just don't show up that way, or you would have to really be intraday and kind of stay at the chart all day to do it. The second thing is I value my lifestyle more than chart time. It's cool to be at the chart, cool to be at the desk and look at trades and be in the market. But if you have a chance to do other stuff on the side, if you have the chance to go out and do things and travel and spend time at the beach, for example, I'm lucky to live here near the beach in Etienne, then why not just do that? Why would you waste your time at trying to find trades that might not even produce any move? Or maybe you just sit at the chart for 5 hours and you find no trades at all. All my analysis is done in 15 minutes a day, then I'm done for the whole day. I will talk about this in just a second. But that means I don't have to be there to actually wait for trades to close or wait for trades to appear. I can just look at the chart once when the candle closes, then I'm done for the entire day after that. And that means I have a lot of freedom to travel, to run a business, to do other things on the side, and that just makes much more sense to me. And it's not until I started to trade daily charts that I actually started to look at other markets. Now I trade some stocks, some ETFs, some indices, and I couldn't do this with trading with a 1-hour chart. First of all, there was too many things to look at. I would get really overwhelmed. There was too much risk on the table, so there was too much correlation between all these assets. And when you have to look at the chart every 1 hour or every 4 hours even, by trading 4-hour charts, you just don't have the mental bandwidth to look at other markets. It's just a lot of stuff on the side. So by me scaling that back to daily charts, I'm now able to focus at other markets, maybe markets that are producing even stronger move. I can look at them and take trades on them, still on daily chart. So I'm never going to be day trading, but I can actually look at these markets and make the most of bigger moves on these other markets as well. The guy who's scalping or day trading might only look at a few pairs, maybe a few indices, very little stuff. It could be even one pair only. And if there's a big move on crypto, if all the money is going to be made on crypto that day, or if the money is all going to be made on the S&P recovery, then that person will miss out all these moves. Trying to just focus on that one thing that they're good at, which definitely focus is a good thing. But when you miss all these opportunities out there that could produce a bigger move, or you actually stick to one market just because you know it well, while other markets are really outperforming better, then you're missing out on a lot of maybe potential profit. And to me, that doesn't really make sense. One of the biggest benefits of all this is that there's no need to look at the charts during the day. So I hated having to look at a chart every 1 hour or 4 hour when I traded the time frame, the 1-hour chart, 4-hour charts. I would have to basically work a little bit, build a business, then I have to go back on the chart, look at the chart, see if there's any trades coming up. Or in the even better case, I would use alerts to alert me of trades. But then if you're away for like a while, you're taking a walk or you're at the gym or something, you will miss all these trades. Now, I'm sure I take all the trades I have to take because I'm there when the candle closes. It will only close once a day at maximum. Always. For sure, I see all the candlesticks appearing on the chart. It's like me watching a 5-minute chart. If I was there the whole entire day, I would watch all the candlesticks. Well, I can do the same thing on daily charts and like a whole day. I can watch all the candlesticks by just reviewing the market once a day in my morning. And then I'm done with it for the day after that. If you look at my profits now compared to the time I invest in trading, the time I spend trading, they'll be a lot higher than they were before. Because before I used to look at my chart once in the morning, then I would wait an hour, then I would go back at the chart again, then I would try to wait an hour, go back again if I don't forget, then wait another hour, then go back for the 4-hour chart to close, and so on throughout the day. And that means that my time is a lot more involved. And yes, maybe I made a little bit more money, but now I invest more capital to my account so that I'm able to match these returns. And the returns per time invested are much, much higher. I mean, the other big benefit is there's no need for alerts or fancy technology. I still have my algos I use on the 1-hour chart, so they trade automatically 24 hours a day. Not performing too well right now, which is kind of sad, but I'm overpowering this with my daily chart trading, of course. So by combining both, I'm able to really match the return and really kind of produce bigger growth. When the algos work well, then that's cool. It brings me some additional cash flow. When they are in a small drawdown, then that's okay too. I can complete the returns with my daily chart trading. But other than that, there's no need for technology or like fancy alerts or whatever. I open up a platform in the morning, I have my custom indicator that I built for myself where they spot the trades for me. So I just have to look at the context of the market, then pick the trades that make sense, get on these trades, place an entry order, then I leave, then I'm done for the day. And I'll come back out there the next day to look at these trades, to maybe manage them a little bit, or to just look for more setups. But I have the entire next 24 hours for whatever I want to do after that, which means I could travel. Usually when I travel, like in other countries, I just look at the chart once in the morning at the hotel, then I'm done with it. Or I might try to push it to, if it's like stocks, I'll push it to the evening, where it's usually more like the US session starting, so I can actually enter the trades on stocks. But I pretty much have 24 hours with no chart time at all. And that's kind of cool, to be able to do other stuff and to have some freedom. I know people who go into trading because they love it, they want to be at the chart, they want to be trading, they want to be getting in and out of trades. Yeah, that might sound cool, but are the returns really matching the time you spent on trading? What if you could make the same money or maybe a little bit less in the beginning by just looking at the charts once per day and kind of be done with it? Would that be something that would be better for you? So it's all a question of how much you want to spend your time and what you like to do with your time as well. I love daily charts. I've been trading daily charts exclusively for the last year or so, since the end of 2023. Before that, I was still trading full-time for the past 6 years, but trading the 1 hour charts and 4 hour charts, which to me were very profitable, but a lot more cumbersome to look into. Now, I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Tell me what you like. Do you like daily charts? Do you hate daily charts? I want to know your thoughts for sure. Tell me what you think. Be honest. I mean, you could be a fan of daily charts. For me, they're amazing. You could hate them completely. It could be boring for you. I gotta admit, it's really boring to trade daily charts. And actually, next week, I'm thinking of doing a video where I show you how I place trades on the daily charts. So I'll go live through my platform, place a trade, show them to you guys as I do them, and then once the trades are placed, we'll be done with it. But I'll show you how I enter them and what things I look at. Let me know you want to see it by commenting live trading. I'll do it if there's enough demand for it. It won't be as active as like a scalper going in and off trades. I'll just place my trades, go in, and that's it. So I want to know if you want to see that stuff or not. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if it's not done yet. Do videos like this 3 times a week, and I'll catch you back here in the next video pretty soon. Ciao.